What's up everyone? In this video I'm gonna show you how you can download Windows 11 completely free and legitimately. So if you guys enjoyed the video, make sure to drop a like and also subscribe for more tech content like this, okay? So first thing you will need is open up your browser and you want to search for this URL. So it would be microsoft.com/software download, okay? Once you open it up, you will have a couple of options. We want to go with Windows 11 in this case. And then the first option you will see is Windows 11 Installation Assistant. So this is just, you know, a non-customizable way of installing Windows. What we want to do is create an installation media, okay? So we want to select this second option and hit download now. Once you do that, you immediately download the file and you can open it up. You can just confirm and it will just start up the Windows 11 setup. So the first thing you will see is you will have the license terms. You can read through that if you want, and then you need to accept it. Now you will see select language and edition. So you can untick this option and then you can select whichever language you prefer. So in my case, I'll just select English and Windows 11. So hit next. And then you'll have this option to choose which media to use. So that could be a USB flash drive. So if you select this option, it's going to install and ask you to put your flash drive immediately. What we want to do is we want to get this ISO file, which is basically an image that contains the installation that we can use later to customize or to put it in another drive. Okay, so select the ISO file. And now it's going to tell you where do you want to download this file. So I'm just going to download it in my desktop and I'm going to put it as Windows 24 H2. And now it's downloading the Windows 11, okay? So we'll take a couple of minutes over here and I'll get back to you once it's done. You can see here that the latest version is version 24 H2. So that's what we're going to use in this video. So as you can see here, the file is now completely downloaded and it shows up in my desktop. So this is the ISO, aka disk image file. And yeah, from here you can just hit finish. It's just going to clean up. And now what you can do from here is you can open this file, and if you want to install Windows 11 on your current computer, you can just open this setup application inside of it. And it would just start up the Windows 11 installation. So we're not going to do that because we already have it here. So what we want to do is just get ready to, you know, change this and put it in a USB drive. So for that, I will have another video covering on it, and you will need to use this software, which is called Rufus. So this is the official website, rufus.ie. And yeah, you can see here that there's a couple of options you can customize. There's also ways of installing this in unsupported computers. So yeah, I'll cover that in another video. But for this one, that's it. So if you guys enjoyed, make sure to drop a like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.